National news headlines for school assembly. The Supreme Court on April 29th rejected petition to postpone CA exams held by Institute of Chartered Accountants of India in view of the General Lok Sabha election 2024. Central government releases relief funds for Karnataka and Tamil Nadu for calamities like Cyclone Mekong, floods, drought that happened in 2023 from National Disaster Response Fund. School assembly headlines for international news. Japanese Prime Minister Fumio Kishida loses 3 parliamentary seats for his party, Liberal Democratic Party, on April 29 as a result of a scandal-hit ruling party and corruption charges. United States Climate Chief Simon Still called G7 nations at ministerial meeting on climate, energy and environment on April 29 in Italy to take action against climate crisis and collect enough climate finance. School assembly headlines for sports news. India will begin their campaign against Ireland on June 5. India's T20 World Cup selection meeting is likely to held in Ahmedabad on April 30th.